In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your website by adding a compelling services page using the Wix platform. Whether you're looking to showcase what you offer in a vibrant, visually appealing manner or manage bookings and sales, Wix has the tools to make this process seamless and effective. Let's get started by opening the Wix editor or studio in your Chrome browser. If you're already familiar with the platform, you know that it's designed to be intuitive, making it accessible for beginners while still providing powerful tools for seasoned users. Once you're in the editor, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's your first time. Now, the first task is to add a new page or section specifically for your services. Think of this as setting the stage where you'll present all your offerings to your audience. After you've added your page, it's time to populate it with content. Utilize text, images, and lists to create a detailed and engaging description of your services. Writing clear and concise service descriptions will help your visitors easily understand what you offer. Adding high-quality images can further enhance the appeal, helping to illustrate your services or show off before and after results. Lists can be particularly useful to neatly highlight packages or features that you want to stand out. Remember, visuals and clarity are key to engaging your audience. If you're looking to sell products or book appointments directly through your site, Wix stores or Wix bookings could be excellent additions to consider. These integrations allow for seamless e-commerce and scheduling experiences, directly linking customers to your services without the need to leave your site. Not only does this streamline user interaction, but it also creates a comprehensive and professional setup for handling transactions and reservations. Once your content is in place, it's time to focus on customizing the layout and design of your services page. Wix provides a wealth of templates and design tools that allow you to tailor the look and feel of the page to match your brand identity. Play with elements like color schemes, fonts, and spacing to craft a page that is visually pleasing and easy to navigate. Remember, an appealing design can significantly impact how your services are perceived and can often be what sets you apart from competitors. With everything in place, the final and crucial step is to save and publish your site. This ensures that all your hard work is not only preserved but also accessible to your audience. Make sure to review your changes before hitting publish, ensuring that all functionalities such as links and booking options are working smoothly.